How can I specify the repository from which a package will be installed? Emacs-snapshot. I want to install emacs-snapshot from this URL, but there is already an emacs-snapshot in Ubuntu's repositories. How can I specify the repository from which a package will be installed?
You can specify a repository with T option. As an example, I have added the following repository to /etc/app/sources.list to install Iceweasel latest release. deb http://mozilla.debian.net/squeeze_Iceweasel release. As you know, there is the same package Iceweasel in the official Debian repository. If I want to install Iceweasel from this specific repo, I run from apt-get manual page. I think this is a better solution. Source from this URL.
I found a workaround. First, I needed to find the repositories that had the package. In the versions section, I see the versions that come from different repositories. 1 to 20,100,111 to 1 Lenny 1. 1 to 20,090,909 to 1. So now we just tell apt or aptitude to install that specific version. Package name equals version_name. Victory. I still don't know how to use a specific repository, but in this case a specific version was enough.
I ran into this issue when a package I wanted, Helm, had a name that was used by both the Kubernetes package manager and also by a music VST instrument from KX Studio. I had both repositories available in my sources list, but because KX Studio's Helm had a higher version number, asking apt to install it led to the wrong package being installed, since I wanted the Kubernetes package manager. This was even more of a problem because my distro kept trying to get me to upgrade to the wrong package even after having installed the one I wanted. I solved the issue by adjusting by creating a /etc/apps/preferences file with the following contents. Read up on man_apt_preferences if you want more details about other options. Note that baltoken.com was the repository for the Helm package I wanted, so you'd replace both the package name and origin with whatever you wanted. After updating apt, it no longer wished to upgrade me to the wrong package version.
There is a preferences file for apartment. I think it is located under /etc/apt, but not 100% sure. There you can set the priority for a package from a repository to be higher than for the same package from the Ubuntu repository. For the exact syntax, look up in man apt-get. Edit the file, then install as usual with apt-get. It will fetch from the highest priority origin. Just make sure beforehand that the package from that repository is compiled for your distro. For example, a Debian binary may look for dependencies in the wrong places, and for your kernel version, this changes quite often throughout the life cycle of a Ubuntu version. Else it is a matter of chance if it will work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.